guys just have a blank backyard and you're looking for something super interesting and a really awesome hobby to get into, this is it. What I really like doing, I like taking annuals like these sun patients. You get quite a bit of sun here even though they got a lot of trees. Take these sun patients and knock the soil off, and all these little nooks and crannies, you can just stick them in here and they last the season, but look how huge they get. That was just 2 forks planted up there, and it's 4 feet wide. And you can put them wherever you want to as long as you keep that crown of the plant out of them being submerged. But you even got some sea oats that you put in here as well. These guys right here, this is just the first season it's been planted. So this stuff will die back in the winter and the fall months this year, but in the spring it'll come back, it'll take off, and this whole pocket right here we completely covered with sedum in just a season or 2. But look how big this has got. And then you get random stuff like that little weed growing out of the boulder right there. You just have to make these things look super natural.